In a significant political development, Kanuraj Debbarma, the BJP-nominated candidate for the Amthali-Golaghati Constituency, formally submitted his nomination papers to the Sub-Divisional Magistrate of Bishalgarh today. The submission was preceded by a massive show of strength as the grand rally commenced from Bishalgarh Kalivari and concluding in front of the SDM office. The event saw the participation of several high-profile leaders and party officials, including Kanuraj Debbarma, MLA of Kamlasagar constituency, Supriya Dasdata, Jilla Sabadi Party, Biplab Chakravarti, BJP District President and Mandal Presidents.
Airport Agotla Airport rather than Bill Kisro Malik and Bin Sindavel Kalamanaka Nam from Family Father. Purabadikaya, Sandoga, Harina Promotega, Salatran Protega, then look like a man more party Indo Agotla Airport, Sang Barate Zorata Party, Pamani Yagla, Long Siba, Long Chini, Ashiba, Mama Yagla, Barate Zorata Party, Sarkar, Pamani Yagla.
Reported by Musaram from Sonamura, Chini Khorang.